In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides presentation. By the end, you'll know how to open Google Slides, choose the right starting point, customize your slides so they look polished, and preview or present them with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. The fastest way is to type slides.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see options to start creating right away. If you want a completely clean slate, click on the blank presentation to open a new file. This gives you full control over every design choice. If you prefer a head start, you can select a template instead. Templates come with coordinated fonts, colors, and layouts that save time and keep your presentation consistent. To see more options, click on Template Gallery near the top. This expands a larger collection organized by categories like education, business, and personal. Browse until you find a style that fits your purpose. When you see one you like, click it to open a new presentation based on that design. You can change anything you see later, so don't worry about picking the perfect one on the first try. Now it's time to customize. Start by renaming your file at the top so it's easy to find later. Click into any text box to replace the placeholder text with your own content. Use the toolbar to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors so your message is clear and readable. If you need different layouts, open the layout menu to swap a slide to a title and content layout, a two-column layout, or something more visual. Add new slides with the plus icon and rearrange slides by dragging them in the left sidebar. To incorporate visuals, use Insert to add images, shapes, icons, charts, or diagrams. Keep a consistent look by sticking to your template's color palette and spacing. A quick tip: rely on bullet points and concise phrases rather than long paragraphs to keep your audience engaged. When you're done building, move to presenting. At the top right, open the slideshow drop-down. From here, you can choose Start from Beginning to launch a full-screen presentation from slide 1, or select Presenter View. Presenter View opens a separate window that shows your speaker notes, a timer, and a preview of the next slide, while your audience sees only the slides. It's ideal for staying organized during a talk. That's it. You've opened Google Slides, chosen a starting point, customized your content, and explored how to present it smoothly.